What's up there, SMB3 Prime? This is Bluefinch. Got two things I wanted to do with you guys today. One of them is see what we can do just with a raw disassembly. Just right out of the pack. Southbird's SMB3 disassembly. What can you do with it right out of the pack? It's powerful. You can do a lot with it immediately. Alright, the second thing I wanted to do is show how to apply a particular patch and then actually do something with it in Foundry. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is head on over and look at the disassembly. Alright, so if you'll notice, we're in the help channel of the SMB3 Prime server. Why are we here? We're here to look at pinned posts. Alright, pinned messages. So go ahead and go here. I've got Southbird's SMB3 disassembly right here. And let me just read what I got here. I'm posting a zip of the Southbird disassembly bundled with Joe Smo's handy little simple batch file to build the ROM. For newcomers, this will make it easy to build your SMB3 ROM, as you won't even have to open the console and manually put in the commands. Just unzip it, then from the main folder run this to build the ROM batch file. Alright, so that's what we're going to do. I'm literally just going to click on this right now and show you what's going on here live. Alright, so that's that. Show in folder. Alright. Take that. Bring it over here. Alright. We're going to extract it. And have the world's best computer, so it's going to take a little bit to do it, but I'll cut this out. Alright, so it is done now. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, now what we have here is the disassembly. Alright, this is it. Okay, so you've got several different things happening here. You've got CHR folder. This holds all of the graphics files associated with the game. So there's like 0 to 30. Yeah, there's 0 to 127. There's 128 pages. All right. I believe, yeah, icons. I don't really mess with that. I don't think many people do. This is where the main stuff is right here. PRG 0 through 31. Okay. And then these are actual levels. Okay. The overworld maps, if they're more than one screen, it's got several additional files. That's something to look into later. Hopefully we won't have to interface with that manually. Hopefully Foundry will soon have a functional overworld map editor. One can hope. Alright, objects. That's the actual objects in the level, in a given level space. So actually we don't even want to do anything here either. We're going to go back up one level. Alright, run this to build the ROM. So what we're going to do here, this is a batch file. Just double click it. You'll see this pop up. Press any key to continue. Bam, you're done. Now what do you have here? That's what you have. Okay. Alright, so that's that. Now some people they rightly have the concern saying, hey, now come on, that's just like distributing a ROM file, and that's not legal. Here's the thing. Southbird, Captain Southbird, the guy who did this painstakingly, he took a disassembled sea of just undecipherable, values, and he ordered it. Okay, and that was 99%, 99.99% of this whole thing. He commented it. He gave great notes, a lot of support. Made SMB3 mix. I mean, the guy has done incredible things. I don't know if you're aware of this. He even made an editor, no dice. Not a lot of people have used it. Some people that have used it and really gotten the hang of it actually really like it. But we don't usually do that. It's rare to see someone who does. But all we've done here, Joe's provided this simple batch file. It's like 2 lines of code. Echo off NESASM SMB3.asm pause. That's it. All you gotta do is click that hot shot. It produces the ROM and you're good to go. Now, that brings us to the next part of the video, which we will get into now, patching a particular patch to it. I don't want to belabor the point, but you know, if you own a copy of this game, which I obviously do, you're allowed to have a backup of it, and that's what this is. So you don't feel bad about that. Alright, so right now I am in a folder. This is a different disassembly. This is a multi-BoomBoom patch clean, which indicates no other changes have been made to this particular disassembly other than those pertaining to the multi-BoomBoom patch. And in fact, I've already made this patch, so we're not going to go through how to do that. In the previous video, I believe we made a patch. It could have even been this one, actually. I think it was. No, it was not. Anyway, all we're going to do, I've already got Lunar IPS installed. If you don't have that, go get it from Romhacking.net. So all I'm going to do is double click this. Okay. Select file to patch. Go up to the ASM folder. Go back down into this folder. There's the file we want to patch. And rename this one BoomBoom applied, and that's what we're going to apply it to. I got this message, patching complete. Alright, so let's go at this point into Foundry. And open it up. And this will open up fine. Let's go to World 2 Dungeon. Okay. Alright, so here we are. We are now working inside of the patched ROM hack. So right off the bat, I'm going to delete these enemies here and make room for guess who. Push that one up. That one up. Do 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 do. Okay. Alright. Alright. And there it is. That's it. Wonderful. Alright. So I came to Orange, I don't know, sometime last year, the middle of May last year. And I said, I got this problem. I said, and I would love your help on it because this is over my head. And he came up with this brilliant solution. Wasn't too hard for him, but I think it just makes the game so much better. Because he's really an afterthought as far as enemies are concerned. And the part of this that I coded that didn't make it into this patch, that randomizes his time in that crouched position, I think it ups it even more. I think I might make a patch that has that in it too. But that's this. So here's kind of a challenge to the community for whoever watches this. why don't we have a contest to see who can make the best dungeon? Now, I know the BoomBoom battle is just a part of the dungeon, but you know, who can make the best dungeon and then have the best BoomBoom battle? Because you can do a lot with this guy. If y'all think that's too thin of an idea to make a level contest on, just consider that you can use conveyors. You know, just consider that BoomBooms can activate blocks, so they can bump bricks from underneath and all that. Just remember that water adds an incredible dynamic. Waterfalls and just standing water pools. For instance, we all know a 1 tile high, you know, run of water. It doesn't bother you if you're tall, but if you get hit, it changes the whole, you know, changes the whole battle at that point, because now you're fighting against that gravity and all that in the water. And anyway, so that's that. I don't know if there's really anything else I wanted to cover here other than that. So I think I'll conclude with it. God bless y'all. Y'all take it easy. Need any help, let me know. Let anyone else know too. If I don't know it, someone else definitely does, more than likely. Alright, bye.